is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Chillin' with Chen. I'm Chen and I hope you're chilling. Today we're going to unbox an AUKEY dashboard camera from AUKEY. We're going to get this open and see what's inside, what it comes with, and then in a couple days we'll go ahead and do a review. Let me open this up here. So we went ahead and get this open. We start off with some styrofoam here. Some good packaging from AUKEY, and the first thing we see is the camera, the dash cam. The dash cam itself is 3.2 inches to 8 millimeters wide from the bottom, 2 inches to 50 millimeters wide on the sides. Got the LCD screen. 2.7 inches is the LCD screen, and that camera gives you 140 degrees of angle view. In the bottom here, we got the position for the mount, the USB power cable, and the GPS antenna if you have one. And on the other side, as you saw, we have some navigation buttons and OK buttons. Some more styrofoams in the packaging. Let's put the camera here for now. We're going to go ahead and put that aside. The aperture on this camera is f2.4. Put all the information and the specs in this video so you can take a look here. We got a mount, 3mm mount. We got two separate mounts here. Another one is a suction cup mount. Power cables. Get this stuff out the box here. Alright, we got our manual. We got some extra 3mm tape sticky pads in this packaging. Now, some information about this while we open this up is you have a sound recording on and off, and you need a micro SD card. And they recommend a class 10 or higher, 128 gigabytes max, and that's what I have here. But this is where you insert the SIM card. So this is what we got: the manual, nice little warranty card, some sticky 3mm adhesive tape, and then we have the power cable. Now this power cable you would plug into your cigarette lighter, and we have, this is the suction cup part, and the input DC is 5 volts 1 amps for that cigarette lighter. Now we got some clips here. It helps you navigate that long wire, and we'll show you in the manual in a minute here how they recommend you to set up the dash cam. But they got a bunch of little 3mm taped clips for use with this dash cam. You can see you could clip the wire right in there so it's not hanging in the middle of your car. Here's the better view of the 3mm adhesive mount. And there is also what looks to be I want to say it's like a little prying tool. There's the camera. That's the prying tool there. And this is basically used to, what I believe, it's nowhere mentioned in the manual that I can find, but you lift up and pry off the mount when you want to move it, I guess. You just pry it off. Haven't done it, but we'll see what happens when we go ahead and try to review it when we use it for a few days. Just the angle here. So we got the camera again. This shows everything that's in the box, and I will add a picture as well from the site that gives a good detail about what comes in the actual box. So again, you got everything that's in the box, the manual. Now let's get into a little bit of how they want you to set up the dash cam in your car. They have a picture here. I'm just going to show you the image to explain a little bit of how you can install it on the vehicle. Alright, so what they want you to do is go ahead. They want you to plug the cigarette lighter connection into your cigarette lighter. Not everybody is going to have the same location cigarette lighter in every car, but you get the idea. And those little dots that you see here are where they want the wire to go, is recommended. So you follow the wire underneath the glove compartment up towards the side of the passenger side door, and then going up the dashboard, up the right side of the windshield, and then up across the top of the windshield. And it looks like they want you to go ahead and wrap it around the windshield, I believe. but that's where they believe the best mounting location is, and that's how I'm gonna do that when I start testing out this dash cam. That's the setup that I'm gonna try to replicate there. But that's how they want you to do it. Let's take a look at that. And again, it does show that here on the manual. If you didn't want to pause the video to follow it, the manual does have a very good description of their best mounting location recommendation. All right, and again, this is everything that you get in the package. Um, you get, I believe there's 6 of these little clips. You get the dash cam, little prying tool is what I like to call it. I'm not sure again exactly what this is, but we'll figure it out. You have 6 of these mounting clips to follow it along the car. You got the 2 different kind of mounts. I'm gonna go with the suction cup mount. I'm gonna try to put it on the car. Now, when you place the mount in, as you can see, there's a specific location, and it's like a puzzle. You just flip this around and you slide it in, and you hear a click, and then that's how you would mount it on the dash. So that's if you want to mount it on the dashboard itself. And this one obviously is if you want when you mount it to the windshield. So again, you just clip it in, you hear a clip, and then you just mount it on the windshield. So this is everything that comes in the box, and this concludes the unboxing and quick look at the AUKEY dashboard camera. I'm going to go ahead and review this, test it out for the next couple days, and then come back and create a review about the device and share some footage that it captures using the dash cam. Thank you very much again for watching. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the unboxing videos. Share and subscribe, and if there's a notification bell there, just click it. You'll get notified of any of the next unboxing and review videos I upload. Thank you very much again for watching.